Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. This is a common task that many of us perform from time to time, and it's essential to keep our systems clean and running smoothly. To uninstall apps on Windows 10, open Start menu and click on Settings. Now click on this Apps. Now you have to click on Apps and Feature option. In Apps and Features section, locate the app that you want to uninstall. So we are going to uninstall WinRAR. Click on it. Now click on Uninstall button. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking on Uninstall in the confirmation dialog box. Now you have to click on Yes. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. This may take a few moments and may require your system to reboot. So click OK. Close the setting apps and you are done. WinRAR app has been successfully uninstalled from your Windows 10 device. Thanks for watching.